Kia ora, it's Ollie from Construct Learning. Today we're talking about DYNEX Palliside. DYNEX Palliside is a pre-finished weatherboard system that has been designed and manufactured right here in New Zealand. Made from 100% recyclable UPVC, this weatherboard is lightweight, durable, low maintenance, and it never needs painting. This makes it a great alternative to timber and fibre cement weatherboards. The colour is engineered right through the protective skin, providing long-lasting great looks and defence against New Zealand's harsh UV rays. Palliside has a strong cellular core and a tough co-extruded outer layer, providing excellent UV protection, and it won't break down or rot. The Palliside weatherboard system comes pre-finished, therefore never requiring painting, making it an extremely cost-effective solution. These unique double profile weatherboards interlock into each other, making installation quicker and easier. These weatherboards are impervious to sea salt spray, so they're ideal for coastal and exposed locations. Palliside provides all of the appeal of the traditional weatherboards without the high maintenance. Palliside is available in two profiles: traditional bevel back, which is available in smooth only, or rusticated, which is available in a smooth or wood grain finish. Palliside is available in 6 neutral colours: slate, white, riverstone, tea, calico and sandstone. Palliside is used on a wide range of residential and commercial projects, providing all of the appeal of traditional weatherboard. Its low maintenance and versatility means it is often used in conjunction with other claddings and upper stories. Typically, Palliside is installed over a drained cavity, but in some instances it can be installed direct to the frame. The ease of installation is a real draw card. You start at the bottom and work your way up. Each weatherboard, which is 6.3 metres long, provides 1.64 square metres of effective cover. This means installation can take place very quickly. Weatherboards can be joined off stud, further helping reduce waste, and there is no painting required once installed, so the scaffolding can come down, further adding to your cost savings. Palliside has been designed as a complete system. This means all the accessories needed for a weather-tight, protective cladding system are available. All of these accessories are manufactured from the same resilient UPVC as the weatherboards. Some options, such as pre-cut scribers, window facings and box corners, are only available with the traditional bevel back profile. The entire DYNEX Palliside weatherboard system has been independently tested by brands to ensure that the product complies with the New Zealand building regulations. Builders and homeowners can have complete confidence that they're using a quality product that will last and which is also backed by a 25-year manufacturer's warranty. Palliside is sold through building merchants with the range of components held in stock by DYNEX. These can be sold separately, though it is more common for these components to be purchased in house lots. Palliside can be installed by licensed building practitioners. A free sample pack is available on request. If you require a house lot, simply provide the house plans to the DYNEX team and they'll be more than happy to work out and provide a summary of the type and quantity of components needed. DYNEX have a comprehensive installation guide which you can download from their website. You can also go to the DYNEX Extrusions YouTube channel for this installation video, as well as visit the Palliside Facebook page. So that's DYNEX Palliside, a durable, low maintenance, pre-finished weatherboard system designed and manufactured right here in New Zealand for the New Zealand environment. For further information, to request a sample pack or to get a takeoff from a house plan, contact DYNEX on 0800 439 639 or contact a local DYNEX representative or simply head to the website www.palliside.co.nz. From the team here at Construct Learning, thanks for tuning in. We look forward to seeing you next time.